Hey everybody, Eddie here. So, tell me, you got a problem with your Dodge Ram windows locking and really difficult to open? Well, I got a solution for you. Look how nice and easy that is. Here's how you fix it. So the reason these window locks lock harder than they did when you first got your van is because this window is not aligned properly. So what you gotta do is go out here and move your window open and close as you slide it one way or the other way based on it being center in its holder. Take your fingers, adjust it. I see mine needs to go to the left a little bit. Use your smallest finger, whatever finger fits in there right that you can compare it to, and get it back aligned again. And then it won't lock really hard to the point where you think it's going to break and you're scared to actually open or unlock it. It's nothing to do with this here. It's just the window has to be centered. That's all. So give that a shot, fix it, and there you go.